Have you ever stopped to ponder, what is the true value of hard work? Is there a price tag attached to the sweat, tears, and time we pour into our endeavors? Imagine, if you will, a world where everyone is willing to pay the price for success. Not in the monetary sense, mind you, but in the currency of effort, dedication, and morality. In this world, individuals don't seek shortcuts or freebies. They earn their rewards through hard work and ethical conduct. They don't steal, cheat, or claim what they do not deserve. In essence, they pay the price. Consider the realm of piracy. Individuals who indulge in this practice aren't willing to pay the price. They seek out free PDF books, pirate movies, fake branded clothing, and a plethora of other illegal activities. This, dear listeners, is the hallmark of an individual who is unwilling to pay the price. Contrast this with the mindset of Hercules. A person with a Hercules mindset doesn't read free books, doesn't wear fake branded clothing, and certainly doesn't rob others. A person with a true Hercules mindset pays the price. Now, I must confess, there was a time when I too was part of the piracy crowd. I sought freebies and shortcuts. I was unwilling to pay the price. Yet, I realized it was impossible to attain wealth and abundance with a pirate's mindset. To own a brand, one must learn to value brands, and that cannot be done through piracy. The turning point for me came when I encountered the story of Robert Kiyosaki in his book Midas Touch. Kiyosaki shares an anecdote about purchasing a fake Rolex, only to be chastised by his rich father. A fake Rolex, his father said, signals that you yourself are fake, for only someone inauthentic would use such a product. That was the moment I decided to shun piracy. Piracy is for those who are fake, poor in spirit, mediocre, and immoral. I didn't want to be part of that group. I hope you don't either. I hope you're willing to pay the price, because that's what a person with a true Hercules mindset does. From now on, whenever you purchase a product or see something, ponder on the process it must have gone through. If you look closely, you'll realize that behind it all is an entrepreneur who took the trouble to create a company, assemble a team, gather people, secure contracts, suppliers, and customers, all so you could hold that product in your hands. Be grateful and understand that none of what you possess would be possible without an entrepreneur. So, buy genuine products. Pay the price. Because a true Hercules mindset isn't about taking the easy route. It's about understanding the value of hard work, the importance of authenticity, and the price of success. So, are you ready to pay the price?